Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So we are back on your learning platform, Learn Forward, and we are going to study from Feathercap, People and Places. And we are on chapter number 10, that is Home Sweet Home. So आप सब लोग घर में रहते हो बट वो जो होम है उसमें एक जो हाउस है उसमें होम वाली फीलिंग कब आती है व्हेन अ फैमिली स्टेज इन इट राइट जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ रहते हो यू लिव विद योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स योर फैमिली तो वो एक हाउस जो है वो एक होम बन जाता है सो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट होम दिस टाइम एंड आई होप यू आर रेडी फॉर योर बुक्स एंड वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द चैप्टर नाउ सो होम स्वीट होम वी ऑल नीड टू प्लेसेस टू लिव इन हम सबको जगह चाहिए रहने के लिए हम सबको एक हाउस की नीड क्यों है व्हाई डू वी नीड अ शेल्टर वी नीड अ शेल्टर टू प्रोटेक्ट अवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम कोल्ड फ्रॉम रेन फ्रॉम हीट फ्रॉम विंड अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए अपने आप को सेफ रखने के लिए वी नीड अ हाउस राइट सो वी ऑल नीड अ प्लेस टू लिव इन वी लिव इन हाउसेस हम लोग घरों में रहते हैं वी लिव इन हाउसेस अवर हाउस प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम heat, cold, rain, thieves and wild animals. So, जो एक होम होता है एक हाउस होता है हमें कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करता है किन किन चीजों से प्रोटेक्ट करता है इट प्रोटेक्ट अस फ्रॉम हीट कोल्ड रेन thieves and wild animals. So these are the 5 things. We feel safe inside the houses. So जो हमारे हाउस होते हैं उसके अंदर हम सेफ फील करते हैं राइट सो जो एक हाउस है वो हमारा एक सेफ्टी प्लेस है या फिर सेफ प्लेस है वेयर वी feel safe, right? We feel safe inside the houses. Our house should be airy and sunny. So एक house कैसा होना चाहिए? It should be airy and sunny. Airy and sunny. What do you mean by airy and sunny? Airy का मतलब होता है जिसके अंदर हवा पास होने का या फिर वेंटिलेशन अच्छे से हो. So a house should have windows. It should have proper ventilation. Why it should have proper ventilation? It should have proper ventilation so it does not become humid inside the house and it is comfortable for you as well. जब घर के अंदर थोड़ी सी सनशाइन आएगी थोड़ी सी एयर आएगी तो वो जो है घर जो है आपका बहुत ज़्यादा comfortable फील होगा आपको वहाँ पे रहना. The windows let in fresh air and sunshine. So you have seen in every house there are windows and doors. So windows and doors का main purpose क्या होता है windows का basically windows जो होती हैं वो fresh air को आने जाने allow करती है house में और sunshine को. You have seen जब बड़े उठते हैं so they just remove the curtains from the windows. Why? So that air can come in and some sunlight can come into the house, right? So it is very necessary for the fresh air and the sunlight to come into the house. A house is a home when a family lives in it. So a house becomes a home when a family lives in it. Now there are some parts in a house. So हमारे घर में अलग अलग parts होते हैं अलग अलग rooms होते हैं. You also have a room, right? So एक स्टोर रूम होता है एक बाथरूम होता है किचन होता है ड्राइंग रूम होता है बेडरूम होता है सो दीज आर सम डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ रूम्स यू विल फाइंड इन अ हाउस सो हर रूम का जो होता है एक अलग पर्पस होता है एवरी रूम हैज इट्स ओन पर्पस सो वी विल सी नाउ पार्ट्स ऑफ अ हाउस you can see these parts of a house from outside. So this is a diagram of a house. You can see some parts of it. This is veranda and these are some windows. So windows let in the fresh air and the sunshine. We have learned it. Door and these are some steps to climb in the house. Next, this is the balcony, the area which is left on the first floor or on the second floor behind in the front of the rooms, that is known as balcony, and the top of the house there is roof. So these are some parts of the house. The early humans lived in natural caves or rock shelters. So we have learned that early humans used to live in the jungles, right? So उस time पे जो होते थे घर नहीं होते थे पक्का हाउस या कच्चा हाउस नहीं होते थे so they used to live in the jungles and natural caves और rock shelters जो natural caves बने होते थे den बने होते थे they used to live there. A big house has many rooms. So अब you can see कि एक जो हाउस होता है उसमें अलग अलग रूम्स होते हैं राइट कोई घर होगा तो उसके अंदर 2 bedrooms होंगे another one can have 3 and some can have 4 or 5 as well. So हर रूम का जो होता है पर्पस अलग होता है each room has a different use अलग यूज होता है हर रूम का. We take bath in bathroom so we use bathroom. We use bathroom for to take bath in it. Another one is kitchen. So we all know that kitchen is used for cooking food, right? So we cook food in our kitchen. We eat our meals in the dining room. So dining room is used for eating the meals which is cooked in the kitchen. Next, we study in the study room. So there is study room as well where you can study. We rest and sleep in the bedroom. So bedroom is used to have rest and to sleep. We put and store our things in the storeroom. So every home have a room which for to store some things, right? चीजों को store करने के लिए, संभालने के लिए we all have storeroom in our house. We sit with our guest in the drawing room. So we all have drawing rooms in our house जहाँ पे हम अपने guest के साथ बैठते हैं. So these were some rooms of our house. And last, we should put things in the proper place and keep our house neat and clean. So you should have a habit to keep your house neat and clean, right? और हमें जो अपनी चीज़ों को है प्रॉपर प्लेस पे रखना चाहिए और अपने घर को बिल्कुल नीट और क्लीन रखना चाहिए. So we have completed the chapter. Now these are some exercises we are going to do now. Write one word for the place where your guest sits. So we have learned that our guest sits in the drawing room. So write drawing room here. Another one, you have a bath. We take bath in the bathroom. So write bathroom here. Next, you rest and sleep. We rest and sleep in our bedroom. So write bedroom here. Fourth, you put and store your things. So we put and store our things in the storeroom. So write storeroom here. A part, take the correct answer. First, our dash is our home. So our house is our home. B, second part, a house protects us from. So we have learned our house protects us from heat, cold, rain, wild animals, thieves. So rain is the option which is the right one. So mark the A point. Next, we eat our meals in the, so meals are cooked in the kitchen and we eat them in the dining room. So B is the right answer. Fourth one, a bedroom is a place where a bedroom is a place where we rest and sleep. So first one is the right. B, fill in the blanks. We all need a dash to live in. So we all need a place to live in. Second point, we feel dash inside the house. So we feel safe inside the house. Third part, a house is a home when a dash lives in it. So a house becomes a home when a family lives in it. Fourth part, we cook food in the, so food is cooked in the kitchen. Right, kitchen in the blank. Another part, fifth, we should keep our house neat and clean. So we should always keep our house neat and clean. C, answer in yes or no. First, does your house have windows? Yes, every house have windows. So you have to write yes here. Second one, does your house have doors? Yes, every house have doors. So we can enter in it. Third, are the doors made of glass? If the doors at your house are made of glass, then write yes here. And if they are not made of glass, then you have to write no here. So you can write after checking the doors. D, answer the following questions. First, what does our house protect us from? So we have learned our house protects us from heat, rain, cold, thieves, and wild animals. So you have to write all the 5 things here. Second part, which are the different rooms in your house? So you have to check your house and write all the rooms which are in your house. So I'm going to write few things here. You can write whichever you like after checking your house, right? So every house have bedroom. So I'm going to write bedroom here. Every house has kitchen. It also have bathroom. dining room, drawing room. I'm going to write it here, etc. But you have to mention all of them which are present at your place, right? So next question. Why does a house has windows? So we have learned a house has windows so that it can help the air to come in and the sunlight. So a house has windows so that it can. So we going to study the one time more what. So windows let in the fresh air and sunlight. So what is the purpose of the windows? To let in the fresh air and the sunlight. So our house had windows because it let in, right here, it let in fresh air and sunlight, as these are very important things. Okay. So it let in the air and the sunlights. So we have completed the chapter. I hope everything is clear till now. Happy learning.